Welcome back to Talking Stocks. Our guest today is Eugene Profit. He is the president of Profit Funds. And we're taking both your phone calls and your emails. In fact, we're getting emails during the show as we speak. We just got one from Carrie at Earthlink, Carrie Pete at earthlink.net, who's got a question about Veritas, VRTS, Veritas
Sure.
Software.
Right. Carrie, you must be watching the news today. It looks like Veritas is down quite a bit. I would be a seller of the security here, and the reason is this. Veritas is going to take itself back private and sell off the shares that Seagate owns of the company. And I think it's pretty close to fully valued here, so I would go ahead and take the deal now, take my money off the table. I'd be a seller here.
Okay, so you'd be a seller on Veritas. We're going to go back to the phones
Sure.
and Ohio. We've got Ed on the line. Hi, Ed.
Hi, my question is about Citigroup and where you see this maybe in 2 to 3 years.
Sure. Ed, Citigroup's been a big winner for me. They're hitting on all cylinders here. The Travelers merger has gone extremely well. Sandy Weil is beginning to consolidate control at the top. I think you're going to see 15% annualized growth in Citigroup over the next 2 to 3 years, and I would be a buyer and or a holder of the security if I already own it here.
Now, C is scoring a new 52-week high
Sure.
today.
Mm-hmm.
So you would actually add to positions or
Sure.
wait for a little pullback? And
Right. Well, I think that if you are initiating a position, with the volatility in the market today, you can obviously wait until you get a downturn in the market to buy franchise names like these. However, I think if we're talking 3 years out, the market's going to be higher, and Citigroup will also be a beneficiary of that. I'm in this camp that interest rates are going to decline in 2001, and that will also be a benefit to the stock.
that would be welcome if you're right.
Sure.
I'm sure the markets won't
Right.
be upset about that. Okay, we're going to Virginia now.
Sure.
We've got a phone call from Riz. Hi, Riz. Thanks for calling.
Thanks for taking my call. My question is Nokia. I've been reading some disturbing news about the stock, saying that some analysts, certain analysts and money managers did not like the idea that Nokia did not warn them prior to the announcement, and for this reason they dumped on the stock. Could that be a possibility? Thank you much.
Right. Thanks for your call. I think, I don't think that's a possibility. I think Nokia is really being dumped because it was being purchased by momentum investors, and it really missed its earnings numbers. However, I don't know if you own the security here now or you don't. If you don't own the security, I would initiate a position here. These are the type of securities that in our fund we attempt to find. Cell phone growth is not going to go anywhere. People are going to continue to buy cell phones, and this is a temporary problem that's correctable. The growth rate has slowed down slightly, and so if you don't own the security, you have a situation where a stock is sold off 30% that you could buy into and hold. If you're willing to hold it for 3 years, I think you'll be well rewarded.
Okay, we're going to take a break here and come back to take more of your questions, phone calls, and emails for Eugene Profit. He is president of the Profit Funds. We're focusing on his Profit Value Fund, PVALX. Year to date, it is outperforming the market. Come right back.